Stone Boy, Madam for Pan, and I say, Stone Boy, and this Nintino, or end this Nidia, and I will not listen to Stone Boy again. You see why we are struggling? You see why we are struggling? Yet the politics that the young he say, a young Kwasia and this new Kwasia MPP matters no, said Jimmy Sam no MPP and this way beba, Nana beba, Mahama beba, hey Mahama fa Jimmy. Mahama or father than or the two also want to me. Mahama or father dada, no also want to me to a call IMF semester, Monsieur Minamiu. Mr. Beautiful, me say I will never forget you. Some of you say we will see there. Yeah, got to about do you remember the stuff, the comedic stuff I was saying about Akufo Addo? No, or a short. It's not the theater, did Akufo Addo attempt. What was that idea? The Abana would be I and produce a video. Mr. Beautiful, you were in your prime. Sometime no na ejako bruha na ba uma start ya set trap no ejako di ba from into Mr. Beautiful from Amagana. What the key soap concert party echi sa mo amunim no ofiri ho ofiri George Bosom Pem Santo no group no mu tete obi kan se tete obi kire ayi no emu ton se nyame be tro se wan band emu na ofiri ba ye wan shine ada ne nyame ya adom chance ya bana wo shine ya okoye politics so wen kodi akiri keke o go sika bebe mu ntino madu mani mu ekoje na mu gbe what was say na de o made aye movie a we star o poster po am be de politics or the politics the same way or politics no and na NDC ni so be kwa akoye I'm like how do they call it on so kwa akoye movie no aka kire say we MPP ni a be star Jackie Apia we MPP ni ntimi mfa wani mu mba Jackie Apia we MPP ni aye nim se we MPP ni Matilda Asare we MPP ni aye nim se we MPP ni ntino simple ye mfa o picture maso seriously August number just here everything we bought they deduct tax. Challenge August na brochire the anya tax. Augustine now ukroben pa now there be you anya brochire Mr. Mahama. Utie George Mr. Mahama. President Mahama. What did he say about tax? Or say now mo Ghana for mo sorry I must say tax. Do you really think say I take joy in bringing tax on you? But it is the only way to raise revenue. You don't want me to raise taxes. How do you want me to take care of the country? This is what Mahama said. NDC Mahama. Video no. NDC Mahama say. Na samanje mo tax ya. Na den na metumi mo minor koso. He said that. Sometime no more did 9 new taxes. 2014 budget. Go and look inside. Budget now meeting the target. Almost time beji media review. 2014 so be my account of the cost for afedi or say they say the nyama na ebuye komu. No, we introduce 9 different new taxes. Mokai the famous condom and cutlass tax. It was in that budget. Go and look. Condom ne cutlass tax no. It was our budget anymore. Are you people hearing? Me say from 20 I want one NDC person to come and challenge me. That day I'm ready. From 2012 to 2016, they never met any policy target of NDC. Never. And each of the budget they passed, they came for what we call supplementary budget. Francisca Obriaje, write what supplementary budget means. One pound. Munchire mu munchro ngu hanan krofon kind what supplementary budget means. Because they be ame de mano kan omo ntiase. Njochro no ribia obetiase. Country said tax is the way you can develop a country. Akufo Addo by idea was the idea man and the tax. You were bold NDC. These people, God will answer them someday. You were bold enough. NDC was bold enough to say they are introducing 25. Sorry, 25%. Okay, 25% of tax. VAT on all financial services. Muti on all financial services. Me pacho momo enya financial service. Yay. Momo, and your financial service. And on 2020 manifesto, they actually mentioned an electronic platform. They did. NDC did. NDC did. What are we doing to Ghana? Nende jakwesi apia ene media ene send ene media me ba Ghana show kura omo ma me bi mo. Because media dey am si bo omo echi dey na just say NDC ni bi am frame nko ne party ase NDC for me so me ya dey pa ho. O fa me live band I will show be dey pa. Fire na me fire mo. Me ye show ni na me fire mo. Me gira stage ni na me bom mo yem. Eno nko an problem e be wo, but other than that I'm a fantastic artist, believe me. Mo me fa me, why? Mome family. Okay. George Bompon the Agua or say supplementary budget. Baby Amra. George. Supplementary budget is the request for additional funds by ministries and departments during the course of the year. You made that say. Me patron tia no. Any challenge I end this mo Mon famo di Amra. Yay. For 2013 to 2016, every time they are more supplementary budget. One man is cano. You will call this kind of Serenia Basano was saying about. Francis Castle the Nedia about requesting additional funds to run the country's operations, which is true. But don't we pass a budget before the year starts? We pass a budget, me boy. It is kind of a pass ma on the NDC for the year India. A cost sign will come on budget supplementary budget. Now what Ghana you know say you are a freedom fighter. But you rather support a country or you rather support a government that was not able to meet like its requirements. A government or no sika or the man as one from Kodijan or so could in the Quemo Abasa Simon from Franco was your no more yet president your buyer on code supplementary budget. On code supplementary budget can you forget to read the last one you read the NDC for a press conference or the catcher say you call IMF. Isn't that what they were saying? Before Ken Ufuriata came, they said it's an IMF budget here, call IMF, Ghana back call IMF, you back call IMF. IMF for buy or Mobeka and no that. Have you seen them talk about it again? What is it? So I'm going new one about. And the IMF is telling Ghana not to lie, dear. The figures are there. Go and look at the figures, look at our Ghana standard. Now, my say NDC is not a government machinery, a bring development, because they lack the intelligence of doing stuff. The only reason a bank wouldn't give you a loan is if your credit is not good. The only reason somebody wouldn't want to affiliate themselves with you is a niyama wati wa ohune ye tantanya and all affiliating with you. Because maybe two ways and say we are within your family home account, say we are true for I don't like you. One thing I hate is liars, Michi. Sena Mahama who a day, Mahama administration your papa, I then no more word class your Kobo Sankra Yemain. Why? To the point I feel they do baby a data bank, can offer a bank, and they say a guarantee $25 million for us as a loan. Tell for that and I saw the papers. I got Thai Ghana for Chini and alone. Nini na we are Ghana. We are fit hard you winning na. We are few winning na. Now catch them and say, Mahama time. Now economy more there. Yet a nume wo guye. Dum sonti nume guye. Coca-Cola free Nigeria by saying Ghana coin. Firestone tie free Nigeria by saying Ghana coin. You know the international funds hereby you mean I had to run out of Ghana because of doom so. Or no money your papachi will be or no buy a Toyota baby in the plant. VW base in the plant. Sino truckers in the plant. This doesn't make sense, Ghana, for the ammonia no air time air he is stupidity. It's stupidity. You are a freedom fighter. Your country was at IMF being controlled by IMF. By God's grace, a president takes you out of IMF and you tell me, say, he hasn't fixed anything. He has not done anything. Are you stupid? When would you stop the stupid, crazy political nuisance? What are you people talking about? What exactly are you people talking about? Your government economic process was good. Ghana economy was good under Mahama. Yet, Bon Gresipo, Yameshane Ghana. Companies, Ghana, Modi, it free Ghana, call ye. Or no more, papa. The ono about no the companies ever. Aden. 4 years, Mahama Bedinti. 4 years, Mahama Bedinti. Or say, my mother didn't even know Ghana port was given out. No talk to of. Che. Diversity and investiture. That is all NDC knows how to do. You understand? That is all they know how to do. Now, men me can, I'm a child say, if I would the bra, so what's the American year to the bra? Ghana Water Company, one of the better privatize. One of the better, Charles Abana Nyama Tonton there. You people shouldn't even bring that thing around. Maybe can't say manganese or Ghana or my tone in Nama Japan. Did you people believe me? Moko checking anyhow. Am I lying? For over 100 years, na JJ Rollins, I told you manganese the Japan for us. He said, I don't know, Omo Akra the two of my dear. And the manganese you young from near to a surface mining in Tia if you say me. No business idea if you say me that they be obeying Huska or no the Akojiska the Akobo Brafon. Now what's the age in answer na NDC Mra back. NDC Mra back. No matter. Yeah? Charlie Pen on a echo. Now politicians normally smart.